Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com. I'm making this small video about gold. So let's get started. I've been making these charts for the longest time now. Since October, I'm going to cover here. So then wave at the end of wave 4, this was wave 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, wave 4. I said if wave 4 is finished, then we're supposed to go for wave 5 to the upside. So these are the charts I'm showing in every video. So you probably know them by heart by now, right? So now wave 4 and then wave 5 started. So this is the route that we went there. I said we're going to drop to 1802 and then go to the upside. And these are the highs also in question. So what happened? We started to go up. And I said, well, we probably going to have this band stop us. And maybe we're going to drop here and then go to the upside and break that level. But we hit that level and started dropping, right? So I said, okay, we're going to drop here to 1877 and then go to the upside. And that's exactly what happened. And so this chart I made on August 16th. We started to go up and then came back down very close to 1877 and then started go. Well, that's what I thought. And I made this chart that from there, we're going to bounce from 1877, right? So what happened to this chart so far as of today? Do you see that here? We came very close to this 1877 and start bouncing. Last week was all bullish candle and current week is also bullish and we are above 1920, which is a very important number. How does it look like on a 40-minute chart is this. See this 1920 right now. So we were hitting it here, then drop. If this is wave 1 and this is wave 2, around 61%, then we should be going for wave 3 to the upside. 1959 is coming into this 1.618 area. Fibonacci expansion. Are we going for that? Wave 3? Let's see. That's the technical, saying right now, right? If this is wave 1, 2, then wave 3 could end here at 100% or 127% or 161%. So I'm just taking the maximum that, it's probably going to go there to 161%. And I already made an entry using what? See this move to the upside. And then this dip here on a 20-minute chart, this is how it looks like. See, beautiful long setup. This was also a good setup, but not very clear. It wasn't, all the EMAs were not aligned, but here, this is a very good, nice, beautiful setup. And this is the one that I took on the other computer. It's running. I can show you the picture of that. And that is this. See this buy order here, SL moved to break even already. And just above 1920, right around 1920, and I have it going right now. It's live. Okay, so let's see how far I can go with that. But this is how the target is, right? 1959 is right here. So I'm not talking about too much high, it's just from here to here. And then if that would be wave 3, then followed by a small wave 4, 5, that wave 1 will be finishing here. Then we will drop back to maybe 1920 for wave 2, then wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, blah, 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 right? So this is wave 1 underway now. And after with that, wave 1 actually has subwave, right? So it was 1, 2, 3, followed by wave 4, and then wave 5. So let's see what happened. All right, so wave 3 target is 1959 for today and tomorrow. Maybe we can achieve it. And I have my entry already around 1920, just above 1920. And also I have several other entries. One of them I recorded here just to show you guys that how my setup look like. And see this one, this entry I'm talking about is pound yen. So I also made this pound yen from 20-minute chart. Buy order here, 1, 2. If we have 1, 2, then we have 3. Around 161% is coming into this area, which is 185.35. That would be pound yen to the long side. It is going powerfully to the upside. So let's see what happened. Right there, I'm going to close my trade. And let's see, from here to here would be 90 pip. Okay, so that's enough, right? And I have some other trades running just like that as well. But yeah, the Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, that helps. If you know what the heck is happening, how, and the calculation of these, right? And the direction on the weekly chart, that helps, right? So if you like what you saw and you want to learn it, you want to get this system, you want to learn how to do this analysis, Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, SNR level, trend line, blah, 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 everything. I have a discount going on for my one-on-one course right now. You can go on my website and check it out and, subscribe, sign up, and start learning and trading like this. Okay. Here you can see what kind of services I have to offer and their pricing and everything. Okay. So this is how, and you can see that hundreds and hundreds of trades here. Like for example, current week, which was last week actually. And these are the trades. Every single trade is by the setup, according to my setup. Nothing is random. See that setup with 4 conditions. I have to have the setup with 4 conditions. This is just the opposite of what I have on here, pound yen or gold, right? You can see here, gold entry. Look at that. Just exactly the same thing, isn't it? Okay, where am I? Oh, here. See that? Just the opposite. And then it's a long setup. So yeah, so and the previous week trades you can see here as well. Last week trades, probably like 12 or 15, something like that. Every single trade is according to the setup. So learn the system, and you can just rinse, repeat, right? Just one trade will cover your cost. Everything, one trade, one gold trade. I have this, going on like I think 5 or 6 million lots, 100 pip. That's it, done. More than $1,000. One trade. All right, and I have several trades in a week. Let me show you the previous week trades. Trades here. How many not this last week, but the week before the last week. Okay, so you see this pound yen, beautiful trade, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this week was bad too, right? Okay, so 6 trade only. Yeah, but I have a week like more than 15, 20 trades in a week. But all of them have to be with the setup, same setup. You can see it's the same setup. This is the entry. This is the entry. This is the entry. See, same setup. So learn this setup, learn this technique, learn this system, and also technical analysis. Become master of this trading business. You can trade anything, indices or metal, or gold, or silver, anything, forex, whatever, with this system. Okay. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and talk to you guys later. Let's see my gold entry, how far it goes. 1959 is my target. I'm going to sit at break even. If it comes back and hit my SL, bye-bye. I do, no loss, no gain, nothing. That's fine. But if I want 1959. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys.